The goal with this activity is to really work them calves. Here's what you're going to do. You want to get a surface to elevate yourself on so you can do a calf raise. Make sure you get a little bit of the extra little stretch at the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to get on the edge of the surface that you're doing these calf raises on. You're going to go up with 2, switch to one side, and then lower down. And then you'll alternate sides as you do this. If balance is an issue, you can always hang on to something as well. But it's going to look like this. So I'll face away. You're going to go up with 2, switch to 1, nice and slow on the way down. Up with 2, go ahead and alternate if you need to, depending on what your goals are. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.